Hey everybody, it's Andrew here at Vespa Portland. I'm showing you something different today. This is what it looks like when you get a Vespa delivery. We've got 10 bikes coming in today for the 18 that came here for this month. 8 were yesterday, 10 today. We're gonna get these all unloaded. We got Piaggio Liberties, we got GTSs, we got Primaveras, we got all sorts of stuff. So stick around if this is interesting to you. So Liberty is the most pain in the ass of all of them to unload, honestly. First thing you gotta do is get the cardboard off, and then pull this around. From there you kind of have to work the crate, break it a little bit, because it's all wood, unlike the Vespas, which are just kind of simple. These start to come off. You know, take this wood apart. Of course, there's a bunch of nails and screws in it, so you gotta be careful. It didn't happen this time, but down here, if this comes off, the nails are sticking straight up, so you have to hit those down with a hammer just so you don't step on it and get tetanus. So down here at the nails, just gotta get these back so pop the tire and you don't step on them. A few seconds with a hammer is cheaper than a trip to the emergency room.
Is that a Tom saying?
It is. The wheels have a strap on them. You can undo the strap and save it. We have so many of these, I don't care. So I just cut it. And then you gotta lift this thing out of here. So to do that, you're gonna be look at which direction the handlebars are facing. You wanna go that way. There's no real better way, I guess, than you pick it up, back, slide over. Alright, so this bike is out. So now, since we have so many to do, Matt's going to roll it in and look it all over. Make sure there's no damage. And then after that, Natasha inventories it and it goes on the floor. Have at it, Matt. 6. Because we're just marking off bin numbers here to make sure we're getting everything that we asked for. Because shipping issues happen from time to time. Next up's the Vespa Primavera. Much easier to unload than the Liberty. Easy, just lift the back.
Every time we get a bike in, we check to make sure there's no shipping or pre-shipping damages. Make sure all the pieces, like the little caps, are here. Everything is intact. no dents, no scrapes. Make sure that turn signals didn't get popped off during shipping or creating, that sort of thing. Just, overall inspection, everything, alignment is good. Make sure, everything's straight with it.
All right, one thing you got to do on these new keyless GTSs, we cut off a little piece of or tear off a little piece of the foam and stick it right there in the seat latch, because if you close the seat without that, you got to put a battery in to be able to open up the seat. So mechanics can get to the stuff in there a little easier.
We always have to make sure the yellow is pulled down so it doesn't catch on the stand.
Hot out here. Jeez. It's only 73, but we're not ready for this yet. I am, but anyway, we got bill of ladings. We got all the VIN numbers. We signed them. We said they're subject to inspection because you never know what might pop up. That's checking out the last Super Tech right here. We're about to send Big Mike on the way. See you next month. Diageo.